Be ready. Start. It is also stated in their counter affidavit that the selection of the appellant was in accordance with the guidelines and norms governing the matter, and there is no extraneous consideration in selecting him as an empaneled candidate. It is further explained that the evaluation on the parameters A to D will be done on the basis of the information given in the application, and the evaluation on parameters E to G will be done on the basis of the interview. As per the guidelines, the maximum marks for experience in direct sale stroke home delivered products including LPG distributorship, other petroleum products, and for any other trade are 4, 3, and 2 respectively. It has been further elaborated in the guidelines that marks for the parameter experience are awarded based on the information furnished in the application for experience of running or working in an establishment for minimum 1 year, and that too on the quality rather than amount of experience. It is the case of the corporation that the quality of experience will be judged based on the response to the questions relating to experience in direct sale, home delivered products, trade of petroleum products, hospitality stroke service industry, etc. by the candidates in the interview. In the counter affidavit, it is also specifically stated that the appellant has been awarded with 4 marks for the parameter experience by the selection committee comprising of 3 senior officials of the corporation who are well qualified and experienced in assessing the required experience for an LPG distributor. It is further explained that 4 marks were awarded to the appellant strictly in accordance with the guidelines for the distributorship of LPG and based on the response to the questions relating to the above in the interview. Before proceeding further, it is relevant to note the decision by the learned single judge with reference to exhibit numbers P2 and P3 and the ultimate selection by the committee. The learned single judge, in paragraph 4 of his judgment, arrived at the following conclusion. First of all, in exhibits P2 and P3, there is no mention that the second respondent was working part time. Secondly, ordinarily, it would be very difficult for a MTech student to work part time as a marketing manager of a gas distributor and an insurance consultant. Thirdly, as per Exhibit P2 certificate, the second respondent was working as marketing manager in Mallapuram from December 2005 to March 2007. Exhibit P3 certificate certifies that the second respondent worked as an insurance consultant with Bajaj Allianz Life Insurance Company Limited since August 2006. The period of exhibits P2 and P3 overlaps. Respondents 1 and 2 have not been able to give a satisfactory explanation for the same. Lastly, and more importantly, as proved by Exhibit P4, the second respondent was a MTech student of CU SAT, which is at Ernakulam. When this conclusion was challenged by the appellant herein before a division bench of the High Court, the division bench, without much discussion, merely affirmed the same. In view of the decision by the learned single judge and the division bench, it is worthwhile to refer the contents of exhibit numbers P2 and P3 and to see whether it would be possible for the appellant to have this experience while studying MTech, the assessment and the decision of the selection committee. We have already quoted clause 14, which deals with norms for evaluating the candidates. Before proceeding further, it is relevant to note that as per the guidelines, in case of LPG distributorship reserved for SC category, there will be no evaluation on land and financial capabilities as mentioned in subclauses A and B of clause 14. It is not in dispute that the present distributorship has been reserved for scheduled caste applicants. In that event, the selection committee has to concentrate other clauses, namely clauses C to G, and select a suitable candidate based on their assessment. The experience certificates issued by Messrs. Sri Agencies and Messrs. Bajaj Allianz Life Insurance Company Limited were evaluated by the selection committee. It has already been stated in the counter affidavit filed by the corporation that the quality of experience will be judged on the basis of the response to the questions related to experience in direct sale, home delivered products, hospitality stroke, service industry, etc. by the candidates in the interview. It has also been informed to this court that the appellant has been awarded 4 marks for experience by the selection committee consisting of 3 senior officials of the company who are well qualified and experienced in assessing the required experience for LPG distributorship. Thank you.